Scene: a cozy living room, with Sam and Sarah sitting on the couch, animatedly discussing the new Superman movie. Sam: Hey Sarah. Did you see the new Superman movie trailer that just came out? Sarah: Yes, I did. It was amazing. I can't believe it got over 250 million views in just one day. Sam: I know. That's a record for DC movies. The excitement is real. What did you think of the trailer? Sarah: I loved it. The visuals were stunning. I really liked how they showed Superman flying through the city. It looked so real. Sam: Right. And I thought it was cool to see Krypto, Superman's dog. He looked adorable. Sarah: Yes. Krypto saving Superman after he crashes was such a fun moment. It added a nice touch to the trailer. Sam: And did you notice the music? They used the classic Superman theme by John Williams. It gave me chills. Sarah: Absolutely. The music made everything feel epic. I also liked how they hinted at some action scenes without giving too much away. Sam: Exactly. I'm curious about Lex Luthor too. Nicholas Hoult looks like he will play a great villain. Sarah: I agree. It seems like they are really building up the story with interesting characters. I can't wait to see how it all unfolds. Sam: Me too. The film is set to release on July 11, 2025, right? That feels so far away. Sarah: Yes, but at least we have this awesome trailer to keep us excited until then. Do you think we should watch it again? Sam: Definitely. Let's watch it again and talk about our favorite parts afterward. This conversation captures the excitement and details surrounding the new Superman movie trailer while keeping the language simple and engaging.